I know you're waiting for me to tell you exactly how much water I'm putting, but I eye it. But I'm gonna use a cup just for you all, just for you guys. So that is, oh, look at that. And I didn't even look. 2 cups of water. I might need a little bit more, just a touch. So 2 and 3/3 cup of water, guys. And then don't forget you have to put the ginger in there. That ginger gives it a nice little sting, which is what you're looking for, okay? Then you're gonna cover it. You're gonna put the top on it. Hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. It's gonna make a little bit of noise. You need to hold your ears, please do so. If you're okay with it, then that's cool. Turn that on. And that's it. That's it. That's all we do. That's how you make cucumber juice. But I'm not done yet, so don't leave, because if you leave, you won't see how I finish it. And if you don't see how I finish it, then you're gonna go and be drinking this, and you're gonna be like, oh yeah, that girl at Food Farrell told me how to make cucumber. Nuh-uh. Stick around. Where do you have to go? Sleep? You can sleep tomorrow. You can sleep later today. You can stay here with me, and you can watch me cook this. That was bossy, wasn't it? Ah! Yeah. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Come on. There is no sleeping. Pharaoh's Corner. Look, I'm cooking late. Doesn't that look good, guys? Woo. It's not even done yet, but if you could smell this, you would lick your fingers, and you haven't even eaten it yet. All right, so that's gonna still cook because the chicken ain't cooked yet. Okay, so now back to this. Can you see that properly, guys? Yeah. All right, so this is the cabbage and the mixed vegetables. Okay. Now I haven't put anything in here except a little bit of onion and a little bit of garlic. But I'm gonna put the carrots now. Remember, it's shredded carrots or grated carrots that I'm putting in here. Okay. So just do that. Stir it up some carrots, because I shredded it or grated it, whichever you prefer to use. It cooks so fast. The main thing here is the cabbage and the mixed vegetables, because they were frozen. What I'm gonna do to it is I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric. Yes, a little bit of turmeric, guys. This is my turmeric. Okay, we'll go on that side, just a little bit. So I'm gonna add a little bit. It gives it a little color. That should be about a teaspoon-ish. Okay, then I'm still gonna put a little bit of my lemon pepper. I told you it's gonna come in handy. So I'm gonna put like that much. I don't need a lot. Then I'm gonna put some of the thyme, the dried one, guys, dried version. And again, you season your pot. Oh, I need a big size. Season your pot the way you like it. Don't be like, oh yeah, Food Farrell did it just. No, 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 no. And I'm gonna put a little bit of my chili pepper in that too. Just a little bit, guys. Yeah. If you don't like spice, please keep away. Don't say I made you burn from both. I'm not responsible. I can handle my spice, so. And I'm not gonna put any other liquid in here yet. When I say yet, so see how it gives it this nice color, guys? Ooh, look at that. It looks like a nice little goldenish color. Okay, so everything's there. So we're gonna go back to the chicken. Just give it a little stir. This side. Mhm.